Hello, dear friends. Today we'll discuss very important trick, that is voltage and current distribution in resistance. Now you can see here there are two types of circuit and circuit containing two resistances. You can see here circuit containing two resistance. It is applicable for two resistance. We can extend this formula later for more than two resistance. Okay. Again in parallel there are two resistances. So now the trick is how to find V1 and V2. So if you have to find V1, then you can directly apply this formula. V1 is equal to R1 over R1 plus R2 into B. Now see, here it is V1, then we put R1. Here it is V2. You can see V2 is the voltage across R2. V2 will be R2 by R1 plus R2 into B. So if we have to find V1, then put R1 here, and if V2, then put R2 here. And in denominator, it is R1 plus R2, same in both formula. And V is the total voltage, that is source voltage. Now after that, if you sum these two equations, you will get V1 plus V2 equal to B. So this is very important trick. It may increase your efficiency to solve the question, okay, in very short time. So next is parallel connection. So now you can see a circuit diagram where we have to find the current and resistances are connected in parallel. So this is source. Now I1 and I2 we can write directly. I1 is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 into I, and I2 is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 into I. You can see here I1 is here, then we can write, we'll write here R2. If I2 is here, then we'll write here R1. So it is reverse uh, as compared to voltage formula. So if here R1, then we have to put R2. I1, then we have to put R2, and if I2, then we have to put here R1. And I is the total current that can be determined by using this equation. I is equal to V over R equivalent. So this is the formula to find current I. Now if you add these two current, you will get the relation I1 plus I2 is equal to I. So this is just a trick, and the derivation of trick is easy. You can apply Ohm's law to derive the formula for voltage here and current in this parallel circuit. So I hope it may help you to solve the question in short time. Okay, thanks for watching.